everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will be showing you how to show single tick on WhatsApp. If you have been using WhatsApp, then you will notice that every time you send a message there will be a small tick mark in your message. So this happens similar when anybody else is sending message to you. And if you are online, then they will definitely see two tick marks. So the first method is to just go to flight mode, but in practically you need to disable your Wi-Fi for WhatsApp. So let's say we need to go to connections, then click on data uses. Here you will see an option called allowed networks for apps. Scroll down and find WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp, you will find three options. You just need to click on any of the option that you don't use. So right now I'm not using any cellular, so I will choose mobile data only. And if I use that, then it will only show single tick on somebody else's message when they text me. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.